I am going to show you how to assemble the wine display. First, you want to take the large piece that is printed and lay it face down. Inside of it, you're going to take the blank piece with the tabs at the top and lay it inside of the back panel. You're just going to fold everything up and over. The orange panels will get folded in. These small tabs will stay out. You're going to fold the bottom of the display up and over those tabs and lock it into place. You might just want to push in the orange tabs into the holes, and that is your base. Okay, this next panel is the tray that will sit in here. You want to have the image facing up, and make sure you go ahead and fold it all the creases and loosen everything. You're going to lift this up and fold these tabs in. And you can go ahead and fold around the tabs, and what you're going to do is just flip the whole thing over. That way the glue is at the bottom then. You're going to fold these other tabs in and wrap the top over and lock it into place. Now you can go ahead and assemble it into the display. Use your finger tabs on both sides to lock it into place. And just push down until it is flush. Next panel that you're going to do is the top tray. You want to go ahead and have it face down. You're going to fold it all to creases and fold these angled pieces up first. And you're going to fold the sides in and wrap it around those folds and lock it into place. Same for both sides. Go ahead and fold those front tabs in and wrap it around, lock that in place. And same with the back, just go ahead and fold that down and lock it into place. These have tabs that will lock onto the display. I'm going to fold these down and just align them. And go ahead and push it into place. Next, you're going to take the orange panel. It's going to go in face down first. And what you want to do is lock in the tabs and make sure that this piece is flush on the bottom of the display. Push it into place, and this tab here will just fold down and make a stinger. And the last piece that you have to do is add the header, and there's two tabs back here. And go ahead and slide them in. Is assembled.